Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily link your NFL ID to your YouTube channel or YouTube account. It's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing, of course, open up your preferred browser, head down to youtube.com, and from there sign in to your personal YouTube account, which you want to link your NFL ID to. It's very important it is your personal account. Now from there we go down to the top right corner to use the drop down menu and open up these settings. Now from there we look to our left to open up the connected apps, and here we scroll down till we find the NFL ID. Simply press connect, and from there press connect again, press continue, and this pop-up will open up, and here simply sign into your NFL account, and both YouTube and NFL will be linked together and you can start using them together. It's easy as that. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.